As immigration continues to make headlines nationally, the Jackson County Legislature now considering a ban on law enforcement concealing their faces.
This is a very basic mechanism to keep us all safe and keep them safe as well.
Immigration and Customs Enforcement agents have been criticized for using masks while conducting operations. While Homeland Security says it's to protect officers, others say it creates fear.
I think it is of a principal concern for our fundamental rights to know who our law enforcement officers are.
And if people weren't filming them and trying to out them and come to their homes and harm them, they wouldn't be wearing masks.
KSHB 41 immigration reporter Fernanda Silva brings us the voices of those both for and against and on the legality of enforcement.
It hits very close to home.
First-generation Mexican-American Elias Garcia was ready to share his thoughts at the Jackson County meeting on Monday.
The idea that they're not being able to know who is doing what to us seems to violate everything I grew up and was taught about our basic fundamental rights as Americans.
He supports the proposed Jackson County legislation that would prohibit law enforcement officers from hiding their faces or badges.
The goal is accountability.
Minnie Abarca, the first Latino chairperson for the county, introduced the ordinance. I asked him if the ordinance targets ICE and how it affects local law enforcement.
I think it is ICE, absolutely, but I think the idea that policing in general needs to maintain these standards.
ICE didn't respond to my request for comment. On the agency's website, it says the masks help prevent doxing, which places officers and their families at risk. Other communities across the U.S. have considered similar ordinances, including California.
It gets into this idea of federalism.
Matt Harris is a political science professor at Park University.
What happens in California and where that case eventually goes could influence enforcement and whether this law can be enforced, if it even is passed.
Locally, the ordinance brings mixed feelings.
I don't think that telling them they can't wear a mask is going to be effective.
In a statement, Jackson County Sheriff Darrell Forte called the ordinance government overreach. Deputies must retain the discretion to use protective equipment and tactics based on the totality of circumstances, the statement read.
That's the right thing to do, is to let these guys safely do their job.
Uncertain on how enforcement would work,
It's a good question.
the ordinance will likely undergo changes before a vote. In Independence, Fernanda Silva, KSHB 41 News.